In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Zoho Analytics, a powerful tool that helps transform your data into visually appealing and informative dashboards. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to your Zoho Analytics workspace. Once you're there, the next step involves clicking on the Import or Add Data option. This is a pivotal moment as it sets the stage for bringing your data into the analytics platform. After selecting Import or Add Data, you'll then need to click on Import Data, Create New Table. This allows you to create the foundational structure for your workspace. Zoho Analytics supports a variety of data file types, so next, select Import Data from Excel, CSV, HTML, XML, JSON, statistical, and MS Access files. This flexibility is one of the platform's strengths, enabling you to pull in data from multiple sources with ease. Once you've chosen the type of file you wish to import, it's time to decide on a table name. Setting your preferred table name helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to identify your datasets at a glance, especially when working with multiple tables. After naming your table, the following step involves choosing the location of your file. Be sure to select it carefully to ensure you're importing the correct data. When your file is selected, click Next. This will take you to the next step where you should see Step 2 of 3, Create Table, Import, on your screen. Here, you simply click Next again, confirming the structure and details of your new table. Following this, go ahead and click Create. This finalizes the process of bringing your data into Zoho Analytics and establishing its place within your workspace. After the system processes your data, you'll receive a confirmation that the importation was successful. Once you see this message, just click Close to dismiss it. Shortly after, a message box will appear, offering to auto-generate reports and giving you the option to leverage Zoho Analytics capabilities to analyze your data, generate insightful reports, and provide dashboard suggestions. By clicking Yes, you allow Zoho Analytics to utilize its smart functionalities, which can save you time and effort in developing reports and dashboards manually. Finally, click on Save Dashboard. This ensures that all the work done in setting up and analyzing your data is preserved, and your dashboard remains readily accessible for future use. By following these steps, you now have a fully functional workspace within Zoho Analytics, ready to facilitate your data analysis needs.